Hello everyone, this is QuakeU for Next Gen Windows with a new Windows 10 app review. This one is called PerfectTube. PerfectTube is a YouTube application for Windows 10. This one is looks like it's more catered towards the desktop and basically the Windows 10 design style with these kind of wireframe icons and things like that. So here it is, the homepage of PerfectTube, and as you can see from first glance, I've done multiple YouTube apps on this channel. I've done about MyCast or MyTube, I've done MetroTube, I've done Hyper for YouTube. I've done plenty of YouTube apps, and here's a new favorite of mine. A lot of these things are super well made, and yeah, so here it is right here. The homepage here, you start off with popular, basically the trending videos on YouTube, basically like what YouTube homepage should have been. And then we have subscriptions. Basically, these are subscriptions that I follow on my network and my YouTube channel. These are preloaded videos. I don't have any preloaded videos. That just basically means if you want to download someone else's video, you can do that. And then if you want to click this arrow, it actually extends these icons to full words. That way you can tell what these actually mean at first glance, because I obviously did not know that. So home, we're already on it. Search allows you to search wherever you want on YouTube. So if I want to search up Game Grumps, like I've been so into lately, I can do that. Just click Game Grumps. It shows you all their videos that are relevant to Game Grumps. You can see playlists related to Game Grumps. You can see channels related to Game Grumps. And while we're at channels, click on Game Grumps channel. You can see how channels are laid out in this new application, PerfectTube. I just note that PerfectTube is also available on Windows Phone and Windows 10 Mobile, obviously, which are about the same thing. So you can check it out there too. So you can see this is how it's laid out. The description here, you can see all the various stats. You can see subscriber count, you can see the view count, and you can see when they join YouTube, as well as their cover banner, and as well as their icon for their channel. And you can also subscribe to them or whoever you want to. Then if you want to click here, you can see you can order them by different things. So if you want to order by relevance, view count, upload time, you can do that. These are obviously their videos here. These are the playlists. You can just scroll through, and it's really simple to use. One thing that I don't like that you could do on other, on the YouTube website is I guess app developers still have not figured out how to actually search within a channel's videos. So for instance, if you wanted to look at a specific video from my channel, Next Gen Windows, you can't do that kind of thing on these applications. Any YouTube application, you have to use the website to do that. I don't know whether it's a YouTube thing or anything, but I kind of wish you could search within a channel specifically for what video, a certain video you're looking for. So say if they played a Kirby game that you're really interested in and you missed an episode years ago, and you want to search for it without having to scroll all the way through, there are thousands of videos that they release every day. You could just type in search. You could search in their channel. Maybe they could put search. Maybe they could just put search up here, and it would search their channel. And then if you want to search, maybe they can write out search channel or put it somewhere that looks nice and follows their design style or follows the app developer's design style. That way you can search their channels. So that'd be really nice. But yeah, you can see playlists here, you can see videos, and then on to the next tab, which we see is categories. Categories are straightforward. It's YouTube categories. So if you like autos and videos, autos and vehicles, you can see anything related to cars, including this Lamborghini, 1700 horsepower versus a 1500 horsepower Supra, Toyota Supra. If you wanted to check out more, you can see history. So you can see a video that I watched recently today on this application only. This doesn't show videos that you watched on the website. It only shows what you've watched on the application itself. So that's one thing that you should note. This is obviously favorites here, so I haven't favorited much. I've only favorited this old Epic Mealtime video and this amazing video called The Collapse of American Dream explained in animation. Go check that out if you want to. Then you can see my liked videos from a long time ago. I actually haven't liked any videos in a long time. In fact, it looks like I haven't liked any videos since like 2013, which is crazy. Then you can also see right here, this is actually, what is this? Watch later. So you can see videos that I've set to watch later, including this classic cartoon collection, which is amazing, and this Pioneer app radio in-dash car stereo deck, something I really always wanted. You can see videos that you've uploaded currently. So whenever this loads, since I have so many videos, you can see that. In fact, what does this terminated mean? I'm not even sure. What does that mean? That's really odd. It said terminated. But let's go back. So I'm not sure why it's saying terminated here, but while we're doing this on this screen, you can see how it looks like when you started playing a video and you want to switch away by clicking back. You can see it can still play in the corner here. So if I hit play, you can see that it will play in the corner just like that. Unfortunately, it doesn't appear that you can actually pause the video right here, which is kind of odd, but you can't pause the video. One thing this app developer should definitely do if you are listening is when we are watching a video and it's in the corner of the screen like this, just make it so that way the hover animation, when you hover over this part right here, it allows you to just pause and play it. You don't really even have to add rewind or fast forward. Just hit pause and play. Let us pause and play it. So it's something really useful to have. If you don't want this at all you do is just scroll down and you can just move on to your next video and you're good to go. Or if you want to just get rid of it completely or go full screen, you can click on that. So it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty nice. Yeah, so next thing we're gonna go to is subscribe to. So you can see people I have subscribed to, my personal channel collection right here. Actually, I'm not even sure how you get rid of this thing. It's still, oh, I see. You gotta actually swipe. So the way you get rid of those windows in the corner when you have a video that's playing is you click it with the mouse or just tap it with your finger and swipe out of the screen with it. I swiped to the left and it went away. So you can see subscribe to, and then you see right here we have this sign out button, which I'm not going to click on because I don't want to sign out. So you can see my channel, how it looks like on this application, and it looks pretty nice. Unfortunately, I don't have a large description like other people do, but you can see the same things that you saw on Game Grumps' stuff and stuff like that. Here is settings. You can change the color. You can change the video quality default. So you can, I set it to 720p because I really can't see as different from between 1080 and 720p. You can change this from a light theme to a dark theme. It says take effect next time you start the app. So that, I don't mind that. So I'll just switch back to dark theme for now. Share my comment on Google+. If you notice now lately, YouTube has changed a little bit. Before they were requiring all your comments to end up on Google+. Now comments are not in anywhere tied to Google+, so you don't have to worry about that. So that's why this is an option that you can choose. If you want your comment that you post to end up on Google+, you can do that too. If you want to change the color of any of the application, you can do that too. I like the red, so I keep it as red, but you can see it will change. I'm not sure why it does this, but it will change just like that. So yeah, so in general, in a nutshell, this is pretty much a straightforward application. It's pretty nice. It works. I won't say it's perfect, but it works. So you can go check out the application on the Windows Store. You can check it out on Windows Phone. You can also check it out on Windows 10, as you can see right here, Windows 10 and Windows Phone 8.1. If you're running the Windows 10 mobile preview, you can download it on there as well, and it'll match the the style of your own phone, which is really nice too. So yeah, this is Quaker from Next Gen Windows, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.